welcome to this Excel tutorial on merging cells. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to merge cells in Excel to create a clean and organized spreadsheet. Let's get started. To merge cells, first, select the cells you want to merge. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells you want to merge. Next, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Alignment group, you'll find the Merge and Center button. Click on it to merge the selected cells and center the content. If you want to merge the cells without centering the content, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center button. From there, you can choose other merge options, such as Merge Across or Merge Cells. Merge Across will merge the selected cells horizontally, while Merge Cells will combine the cells into one large cell without any formatting changes. You can also access the Merge Cells option through the right-click menu. Simply right-click on the selected cells, choose Format Cells, and under the Alignment tab, check the Merge Cells box. Remember, when you merge cells, only the content of the upper left cell will remain. The rest of the content will be removed. Merging cells in Excel is a useful feature when you want to create headers, titles, or any other combined labels in your spreadsheet. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Excel tips and tricks.